Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Crypto B here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and identify scam token. Okay, so basically, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel and also turn on the post notification so you can actually get notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, as you can see right here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and identify or find out if a token is actually scam. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, the first thing you need to know is one thing is most of the scam tokens are actually always on the BSC network. What is the meaning of BSC? BSC actually means Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so most of the tokens on Binance Smart Chain are actually, most of them, let me say 50% of them are actually scam. Why? This is because the rate in which you create a token on BSC is actually very low compared to Ethereum network. Okay, so if the coin was created on the Ethereum network, then trust me, it has this I can say maybe 60% guarantee that it might not actually be scam basically. Okay, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and identify scam token, because we don't even know which one is actually scam token. Any token can be scam basically, even the Bitcoin can be scam. Okay, so for example, what I actually did here right now, I'm on CoinMarketCap, and what I had to do was to come to recently added token. So I'm going to be making use of tokens that we actually added on CoinMarketCap recently. Okay, because most of the coins that are actually added most of them might actually be potential scam token. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do right here is just to select a particular token. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select let me go ahead and select a token like Shibanomics. Okay, I can go ahead and select a token like Shibanomics. I'll just do this. And yes guys, make sure you watch this video to the end because you don't want to miss any single part of this video. You're going to learn a lot of things about cryptocurrency, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. And also consider sharing this video with your friends. And yes, you can go ahead and join our Telegram community, which the link will be provided in the description below. Okay, so yeah, as you can see right here, this is Shinomics token. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And as you can see, they have websites. The best way for you to identify if a token is actually scam is to take note of the market cap, take note of the market cap, take note of the supply, the current supply. So what I can actually do right here is to go ahead and open coin gecko basically. So I think if it's actually listed on coin market cap, then it should be listed on CoinGecko. So what I want to do right here is to go to CoinGecko, but not all tokens that are listed on CoinMarketCap are on CoinGecko basically. So I'm going to search it right here on CoinGecko, and as you can see right here, it's not listed on CoinGecko. Okay, this is not listed on CoinGecko. It's just only on CoinMarketCap right now. So I'm going to open the website and see a few things about the token. As you can see right here, 1,773 whitelist. And well, why it was actually not listed on CoinGecko is basically it's still a new token, but that doesn't mean that it's a scam or it's not a scam. Okay, so yeah, the next thing you want to do is also as you can see, this is the volume. You can see the market cap, as you can see, and if you scroll down to the end, you see that it's only on PancakeSwap. As you can see right there, it's only listed on PancakeSwap. And yeah, another thing to take note is most of these scam tokens, they actually make use of PancakeSwap most of the time in order for them to just open the liquidity, so they can go ahead and cancel to close the liquidity at any time. Okay, and everything. Okay, so yes guys, I'm also going to show you how you can go ahead, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and identify if it's a scam token, and I've been explaining a few things so far on how you can go ahead and identify them. Take note of the market cap, if the market cap is very high, then you should know that people are actually buying this token, and but that doesn't mean that it won't be scam basically. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to copy this contract address and come to pool coin. Pool coin is actually as you can see, a BSC smart is a BSC chart where you can go ahead and read charts or find out info about particular tokens. And as you can see, you have the BSC, you have Polygon, you have KuCoin and everything. So yeah, I'll just paste the contract address, so it's going to show me Shinomics. I'm going to click on it, and once I click on it, it's going to show me the price chart. And yes, what I want to do right here is to find out if people are actually buying and selling this coin. Okay, because if you can't find a sell, basically, as you can see right here, this red has to do with sell. If you can't find a sell, it means people are not selling that coin. But when you see most of the time, a sell can actually come from the developer of that token. Okay, so make sure you take note of that. As you can see right now, people are actually buying. Okay, so I'll take a let me see if I can see sell. Okay, so I actually tapped on this cell so that it shows me info about a cell. So while that is loading, what I want to do is to go to Shiba orders. Okay, Shiba orders. Well, because this actual token was actually created recently, so you won't be able to see those that are, as you can see, I say people are actually okay. So I'll just take this down a little. Okay, so that's the end. Okay, so as you can see right now, people are actually buying. People are buying. Okay, so okay, so sold. This is sold. It keeps scrolling down. Buy, sell, buy, sell. So people are actually selling this token, but it can actually be the developers basically. But we have to go ahead and make more findings concerning that by coming to the Shibnomics holders. This is going to give us more insight on those that are actually holding the token, how many holders, and lots more for the token. Okay, so basically, as you can see right here, these are the holders. This is the amount of total holders right now for the token, and as you can see right here, this is the bond address. They said they've bond this amount of token. They've bought 11%. Locked wallets, they've actually locked this amount of token. And PancakeSwap listed on PancakeSwap. And yeah, as you can see, there are so many addresses. Also, one thing you want to take note is take note of the one, at least 1 to 20 of the address. If you find out that one of the addresses actually holding a very big amount, like if let me say an amount, let me say something close to 60% or 70% or 50% above, then you're going to know that that's a rug pull, because the token is going to be a scam and they're going to run with your money. Okay, so as you can see right here, this token, it's, you can't say it's scam basically, but it's doing pretty well. But that doesn't mean that, because most people actually they create bond they but the burning of the token can actually be scam basically. Okay, so that doesn't give you assurance. So what you're going to do is take note of this. As you can see right here, what I did was when I over on this bond address, it showed me the public tag, and the public tag was I just actually bound to a address. As you can see right here, it was actually bound to a dead address. As you can see right here, bound to a dead address. So as you can see, go ahead on so the bond. So this are the and, that is okay. Um, you have to depth. So go to the right. This is the site. website. I don't think to buy. Okay, that is okay. Right. She I scroll down for paper or we scroll to okay. Okay, this is um you can see this on on first market. So one and not this until that's not yet reached listed on CoinMarketCap, not yet on CoinGecko. Like I said, that doesn't mean because it's not listed on CoinGecko, it's a scam. It's not. Okay, so then influencer marketing. Okay, they want to like promote it more and public. Okay, sorry. Phase 3, first NFT card, mobile game development, partnership, big giveaway, branding. Okay. So basically, what I'm actually seeing here, the token is not, their roadmap is actually okay. It's okay to some extent. Okay, to some extent, but I'm trying to see what they're actually trying to give to the public. Okay, as you can see what I said, what they're trying to give to the public basically is NFTs. That's to do with NFTs and giveaways. Okay, giveaway partnership, branding, genomic, okay, NFT card giveaway, and yeah, this is okay. This is okay, and okay. Okay, these people actually mentioned it, and then that way for you to also find out if it's scam is to go ahead and do your research, like do your research on YouTube, see how many people are talking about this particular token, basically, and yeah, reward. Okay, as you can see, best community token on BSC rewards holding 8%. Okay, so you can actually compare this with the price with this chart basically. As you can see, they said locked liquidity. Our liquidity is blocked for 3 months for the time being. We okay, we will focus on extending to that. Okay, up to that. Okay, so yes, as you can see, they said they're going to lock their liquidity for 3 months, and locking it liquidity for 3 months, they can actually rug pull the whole thing. Okay, they can actually rug pull the whole thing. Yeah, so that doesn't mean that it's not scam. I don't know why they actually locked the liquidity for 3 months and they're not even giving us any assurance or maybe a particular thing they're going to do after 3 months. Okay, so marketing wallet, 3% each wallet is okay, 3% for each transaction. Marketing this 4% for each transaction. You see, okay, this means that you can earn shipper. Okay, and shipper. Okay, um. Okay, so so you can just go ahead and click on this locked wallet. As you can see right here, they actually locked the liquidity for, they said 3 months. 3 months. Okay, so as you can see, logged age. Okay, logged. They logged this around, I think, last month. Logged this last month, and okay, so before they're going to unlock this, is going to be around February or January. Yeah, and yeah, what I'm actually saying, the token might not be scam, might not be scam to some extent. Okay, might not be scam to an extent. So there are also other platforms that you can go ahead and do your research. You can, there's also platforms that you can make use of to do your research and find out if the token is scam. But with these few things I've mentioned in this video, I'm sure you'll be able to identify scam tokens right now. And yeah, if you actually enjoyed the video, guys, consider subscribing to the channel CryptoB, and also don't forget to leave a like on the video. So tell me what you think about in this video. And yes, like I said, I'm just actually showing you how to avoid or reduce or avoid scams, basic scam token basically. Okay, so yeah, if this was actually helpful in helping you reduce the amount of scam tokens you see outside, so you can know the right currency to invest in. You can go ahead and tell me what you think about it in the video. Sorry, in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it guys for the video. I don't want to stress the video. I don't stress the video length too, okay? But that's it guys. That's it guys. That's it guys. See you guys in that video like this. Thanks for watching.